In front of me is NOKIA 2.3, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all apps, go to the settings then, now pick system, and here you will notice languages and input. Go to languages, and if you'll click on add a language, you will be able to check the whole list of languages. Then just pick the one that you would like to apply on this device. So let me choose, for example, Italian, choose the region, and swipe it up to the first place to make it a default language. And from now on your device is in Italian, so you can smoothly use your phone in this new language, and then whenever you would like to change it back, just perform the exactly same operation. Open languages and input, go to the languages, and you can either add language as we did previously, or you can remove unnecessary language by tapping on more, tap on remove, mark the language that you would like to delete, select the bin icon, and tap on OK. And that's it. As you can see, now you are back in English. So that will be all. This is how you can change language in your Nokia. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.